This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. Mitchell County Sheriff's Office is searching for Nevaeh H. Patton. Nevaeh H. Patton is a 15-year-old white female, approximately 5 feet, 9 inches tall, weighing 140 pounds. Nevaeh has blonde hair and brown eyes. It is unknown what Nevaeh was last seen wearing. There is no known abductor information at this time. There is no known vehicle information at this time. If you have any information regarding this abduction, contact Mitchell County Sheriff's Office at 828-688-9110 or call 911. This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction.